This is Daniel, repair expert at Artlieb. He will show you now how to change the lid and the frame of an Ultimate handlebar bag. You can order the lid as well as the frame directly through our customer service. First, remove the inner rail of the bag on which the lid is mounted. To do this, grab one end of the rail with a pair of needle nose pliers, twist it along the rail, and roll the rail off. Now you can remove the lid as well as the inner pocket. If you only want to change the cover, you can fast forward the video to 150. If you need to replace the frame, it is necessary to remove all inner rails. Now the pocket body and the frame can be separated. For reassembly, put the frame through the provided holes in the pocket body, put the lid between the pocket body and the frame and the inner pocket from the inside. Start with the side where the lid is mounted. Place the rail with the holes on the pins and then fix it with a rubber mallet. If you change the frame, you need to repeat this step for each side. The short rails are slightly bent at one end, with the bend facing forward in the direction of travel. If you want to learn more about the repairability of our products, check out our YouTube channel or visit our website.